Welcome back to Heart Key Creations. I'm Heather, and it's been a couple of weeks since I put out a video. Christmas just finished up and I've been tired, so I've been kind of lazy. So I figured what better way to get back into the swing of things than by doing something very easy and with Valentine's Day. Well, that's the word. Valentine's Day being around the corner, I thought I would do some fluid art on a wooden heart. Yep. And we're going to try and get some heart designs with this fluid art. I'm just going to use red and white and black. I have these already mixed up from previous projects, and they do have some Floetrol in there, so we'll probably get some cells. I like to use the Floetrol for the cells because it's silicone based, so it's good with the latex base of acrylic paints. Let's see what we can do. Sorry about that glare. We will fix that glare up in just a minute because it will be covered up with some paint. Some paint. Maybe I can't get the black open. There we go. I have no idea how this is going to work out for me, honestly, because the last time that I tried to do something kind of similar to a thought out, pre-designed fluid art type deal, I actually used the wrong canvas and the canvas warped big time and kind of totally ruined my project. I suppose I didn't use the wrong canvas, but I definitely used too much paint for that canvas. That's really how that went. All right, so my wooden base here is completely full, and we are starting to drip over the edges a little bit. Now, my house is not completely level, which means that neither is my table, my workspace. So I think that I would actually rather it go that way to drip and flow, because it seems like that would be more in the spirit of a heart design. And I'm just going to take my finger around the edge here and cover up the wood. Make sure that it's all covered up. And then I'm just gonna do that because I like it. Underneath this table I have an old rug so that it can catch all of my splatters and spills because, you know, sometimes art is, all right, so most of the time art is not clean. It's a little messy, and that's what makes it fun. Well, makes it fun for me. I can do clean art, but it's more serious when I do it. All right, that's it. We're gonna let it dry and see how it goes tomorrow. Okay, we're back. It's the next day, and this is a totally dry piece, and this is the finished product. I didn't get any crazy little hearts in there. I guess that's the closest one that I got. It looked like one was going to dry in there nicely, but it didn't. It actually, well, because everything's not level, and it rolled around a little bit. I lost the pretty heart that was there originally. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you next time.